Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Print to PDF missing from printers and scanners in Windows 11. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Programs and Features. Click Turn Windows features on or off. Uncheck Microsoft Print to PDF. Click Turn Windows features on or off. Select Microsoft Print to PDF. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.